Good morning, good morning. Adam here from Floating Lettuce Farmstead. We are rocking and rolling. The team is kicking butt already. We have emptied a bit of this nursery out already. So here's Kelsey.
Hi, good morning. Good morning.
Everybody's awake and cheerful this morning. It is like 50 something degrees already when we woke up, so it's like one of those days. Here's Jonathan.
Morning.
Jossie's over there. Molly's with us.
Okay.
This is moving and grooving, guys. Spring has sprung.
Morning.
One trailer.
Truck.
This truck double layered. They were messing around. Big transplanters happening today. Supposed to be sunny and gorgeous. Yeah, stress level's gonna come down pretty high today. We're gonna get a lot done. It's gonna be gorgeous. Yeah, we'll see you in the field. I'm going 23 miles an hour. I've got this trailer with me. I gotta drive, you know, from my neighbor's place here by the house all the way down to the field. We're looking pretty good. I don't know if you guys can see. Got my trailer there. Don't worry, there's no one around. Kind of in the back roads a little bit. But yeah, guys, just keeping it real slow, not to get any wind, you know, too much wind on the plants. It'll like give them a wind burn, stunt their growth. So yeah, we'll keep it chill all the way down the road. We're here at the site. We've got the transplanter hooked up, if you remember from last night in the last video. First truck's unloaded. We actually did not bring the other trailer. We thought that this might be enough for the day, and if it's not, then we'll deserve a break and go back and reload. But yeah, for right now, these guys are loading up the transplanter with all the flats that we need to rock and roll for the morning.
Yeah.
I need to get this thing warmed up, so I'm over here slacking, but yeah. Putting plants on the transplanter, getting ready.
He will play next year.
This is my job today. It's just sitting at 0.25 miles an hour. Just go straight. The boss said just drive straight. I would say, okay, boss. Yeah, very exciting stuff. I could basically get out, but I won't. But the gang is back here transplanting their butts off. Team in the back is just firming up, making sure they're all solid, but you can see rows are going in. Lovely, lovely rows of vegetables. We've got flats set up. The plants looking solidly in the ground here. The magic one.
The magic one.
Yeah. That's all it takes. Just firming them in.
Yep, pushing them down.
Yep. Looking good back there. Holy cowabunga. God. You're mean.
You're gross.
Oh, really? What did you do? All right.
Hey!
You guys are awesome.
We did it!
Seriously. First two beds of the year, they look pretty good back there.
Yeah.
Nothing like rows of something. Especially when it's vegetables.
We don't have any irrigation down here.
Yes.
We don't have any water.
Yes.
So what we're doing is fluffy soil, really easy for that to hydrate the soil. And we need as much of this moisture captured. So when it's secure like that, pinched really tightly, basically pinching that moisture and it'll stay.
Okay.
We're looking pretty good out here. Plants are getting in the ground. Some people are learning about agriculture.
I'm learning.
Jocelyn's over here driving. Kelsey and Jonathan are on. Jonathan's first time. Hooray. I'm so excited for him. I hope he's excited as I am, at least. Might not be the case, but I don't care. I'm just happy he's not killing himself like we used to. You look good up there.
Thank you.
I was just telling everybody on YouTube that I'm so happy that you're up there, and I hope that you're as happy as I am, but I doubt it.
Yeah,
Much better than doing it by hand.
Looks really good. All of you look good. Oh yeah. Seriously, man, I love my job. This is great. I'm the luckiest man in the world. I've got a good team, got a good donkey, got beautiful soil. Thank you, Sarah. And yeah, beautiful weather. Can't ask for more, guys. Appreciate your support too, man. Let's do this together. All right, salad's done. There's 8 beds here, so just about a half an acre. Like I mentioned before, 20 beds is an acre, so 10 beds would be a half an acre, 8 beds just shy. So yeah, looks pretty good. Just need some rain after this, but not too fast now. I got a lot more plants to put in. We're doing it, guys. We're really doing it. Sorry, I'm eating on the go because I have to be responsible for everybody's life in there, you know, so I gotta stay busy and keep this party going, you know, keep the train moving forward. Yeah, very exciting day.
Very exciting day.
Yeah, huh? We got these champs up on the transplanter ready to go. Looking good, guys.
Thanks.
They're coming out nicely.
Yeah, they're a lot better.
Heck yeah.
Heck yeah. This is fun.
Dude, these are going in like a green.
Ooh, they look good.
I'm back to the field. Took a little snoozy, a little eaty, like I do when I'm doing double shifts, trying to keep up before the rains. And yeah, we're a little late, so yeah, it's just go time, right? So I'm back at the field. I'm gonna get some sugar snap peas in the ground real quick. I got about an hour to do this. So yeah, it's boot, scoot, boogie. Maybe pushed into the dark a little bit, but yeah, time is now or never. Time to set up this system, throw some seed down and cover them up. It's easy as that. Gonna take me a moment, but we'll be done before the night. Yeah, all right, here we are. Gotta take these shanks off and put these other ones on that are better suited for what I'm trying to do. You're gonna be seeing me change a lot of toolbars and a lot of shanks this year because I only have so many of these toolbars and so many of these shanks, and I'm trying to spend my money where it adds the most value. So if I gotta spend 15 minutes here and there, as annoying as it is, yeah, even in an idyllic situation, I would have like 2 of the same tractor, you know, cultivation tractors, so that I could have them permanently set up for, and I could just hop on and go and do it. Because really what it comes down to is, like you're witnessing right now in the big picture of my farm, is we get weather windows and we've got to act quick. You know, we've just got to like get what we need done before we get rained out, basically. Or once the season hits, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday is basically devoted to harvest, market, and CSA. So there's no cultivation or field stuff going on unless I do it late night after hours or super early in the morning before it all. It's like, yeah, you know, that's just a part of this lifestyle. So yeah, I'm glad I'm able to just, you know, describe all these problems, or you know, describe all these barriers and all these things, so that you just have a better idea of what I'm kind of going through. All right, now we got a rundown with that sweep that we just put on down in the ground. We're gonna mark a row going up the bed here, turn around, do the same thing to the other side, throw our seed down by hand, and then we'll put another one on next to it and put them in the ground. It'll furrow, blah, 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 blah. Yeah, you'll see it. The one time I don't have a knife, you need a knife. So I know there's like a trick to like opening these bags, and I guess this is when I need to figure it out. So, hoorah. Brute force is always necessary. Yay. Man, that is a strong bag. Nothing but quality from Johnny's. Okay. So I'm literally just gonna go down and pour it in the bottle. Yeah, just like bing, bing, bing. All the seeds out. My butt is getting kicked. I'm pretty tired. So in that case, I gotta change out these sweeps, so. And bam. All right, that's a better. Let's go cover these babies before I fall asleep. Nicely covered up. That's what I'm talking about. I'm gonna wrap this up. I'm gonna get on home. So this is where we're gonna end this video, guys. I really appreciate your support. I'm gonna get on out of here. We're gonna be transplanting again tomorrow. Depends, we're supposed to get maybe a little bit of rain in the morning. The rain might be coming on Thursday, maybe not now, maybe on Friday. It's all over the place, so we are just at the seam of our pants. And yeah, a little bit at a time, right? So, hey, don't forget, this is just a hobby until you show up. So, rock and roll, guys. See ya.